Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best mini iron for quilting in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Vornado Mini Travel Steam Iron. Vornado Mini Travel Steam Iron is a sophisticated travel iron that is very compact and easy to use. The steam is heated very early. Within 15 seconds, it reaches a comfortable temperature. The steam iron is equipped with one-touch steam control and 3 temperature settings. With a 1.4-ounce tank, the water needs refilling up to 1.1 marks. The cord is 7.5 feet long, which is optimal. 420-watt iron can easily remove the wrinkles from any different fabrics. Its anti-slip handle is ergonomically designed to provide stability in ironing. The experience of this iron will make your ironing experience an intriguing chore. Number 2. Our second best pick is Sunbeam Steammaster Steam Iron. If you want to have professional ironing results, Sunbeam Steammaster Iron is one of the best steam irons to have. Wrinkled clothes do not hold a chance against the new Sunbeam Steammaster Iron. The large stainless sole plate is a vital asset of the iron, which makes the gliding smooth to remove wrinkles. 1400-watt steam iron is an optimum combination for safe and sound ironing. The retractable cord length is sufficient enough for a smooth and convenient operation. Number 3. Our third best pick is Butyral 1800-watt steam iron. Butyral 1800-watt iron is a solid iron that is capable of performing a wonderful operation. The stubborn wrinkles do not hold a chance against the double ceramic-coated sole plate. You can glide smoothly towards the hard edges and rough sections of your clothes. You can use the LCD panel and 9 preset temperature and steam settings to set appropriate temperatures for different kinds of fabrics. The iron contains motion-sensitive sensors, which will avoid the iron from burning the fabrics. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Panasonic NIL70 SRW Cordless Iron. Ironing has never so much been enjoyable and refreshing ever before. With a cordless Panasonic steam iron, ironing will become a fantastic chore to perform. The sole plate is curved so nicely it can appear flawlessly towards the fabric mixed with cordless existence and will provide a hassle-free experience. Stainless steel sole plate will provide maximum wrinkle-free performance. It has 3 heat settings and some brilliant features like vertical steam options, adjustable steam, and self-cleaning. It will quickly set your temperature and experience efficient ironing at its speed. It has a lightweight carrying case which will help people like quilters, swing groups, and crafters for portability. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Rowenta DW8080 Professional Micro Steam Iron. If you have DW8080 Professional Rowenta Steam Iron in your corner, the iron ensures the best professional result. The 1700-watt iron comes with a full metallic shield and anti-scratch stainless steel for smooth operation. 400 steam holes will provide a sufficient amount of steam for the iron to remove stubborn wrinkles from any kind of fabric. The highly polished sole plate is a beautiful addition, which makes smooth gliding through different kinds of fabrics. It is also accompanied by a pointed tip that allows the iron to move between buttons, collars, and different types of critical fabrics. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.